We're recording now, you know.
Are you gonna say anything?
Yeah, I'll say something.
When? Oh,
Now.
Where is he? Where is he? Tell him right there. 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 That way.
Follow the trail, man. You know, follow the road. He wants you to stay near him, man, because he's gonna shit his pants again.
He will in a minute.
Oh. Alright. Come over there where the thing is. Alright, when you find the tape, press A on it.
Wait, where'd he go? I turned off my flashlight.
Yep. He's up there. Yeah, you got the tape. Follow him. What do you say to him? Follow him.
Oh, green penis.
Don't look at the green penis,
Try
man.
not to.
Are you gay or something, man? No.
It's such a beautiful sky, but such a horror story. Can we go in the river?
You can go on the rocks.
What about the water?
You-
Just instantly kill.
No, you can't go on it. It's like a visible barrier near it.
You just walk above it.
No, it's a visible barrier there.
Oh, yeah. It's like a creeper. Just green penis. That's what I call a creeper. Green penis.
Yeah.
Lines in it that I think. Oh my god, stop looking for a plane.
Good. Why you keep looking at that green thing?
Does he want me to be a... What? I didn't even look... Oh. I was gonna say, I didn't even look at it. Wait, that tree just randomly grows.
Yep.
Gee, the best tree ever. Growing tree. Oh, that was fake. I might do a 360. Tell him to wait there. I'm doing
He's right there. He's gonna do a 360. He's being brave. He says nothing
What?
behind the tree.
Wait, is there one behind the tree?
Him. I meant him. I meant the white noise.
What? Was he actually behind the tree?
That's what he said.
Hold on. Where'd he go? Oh no, he's right there. I'm sure we can play. He's like right behind that rock. He's such a pervert.
Yeah, he's a pervert.
Wait, now he's right behind me. I can hear him. They're away from me.
I'm working on the video right now. What are you on about, man? Oh, he's dead.
What is that?
There's a tape there probably.
No, I'm just sitting against the rock.
Don't look at his abs. Don't wait to die. Come on, man. Come on, man. Complete this thing.
Behind me. It's right behind me.
Just look for tapes around that area. Don't look at the green
I
penis.
can't.
Don't look at it.
I can't run. I just want to run forward. I don't do this anymore. Are you mostly videoing me?
Yeah.
Invisible. Run! Run!
Is the tape back at the statues or
What?
keep walking forwards? That's what he said.
What?
Go now. Explore the barns. There might be a tape there.
What, here?
Yeah.
Yeah, but these are windmills.
Windmills. I don't care. It would still be tape.
Yeah, but if that white noise disappears around the corner, then I'm just dying.
Fuck off then if he comes.
Well, I thought that sounded...
Yeah. Look for a ghost.
Ghost?
Yeah.
What?
You know when he died, right?
Yeah. white noise. I see you, man. What a white noise right there.
Yeah, he just saw the white noise, so you know.
Tell him. Can he see it when he's dead?
No, he can see he can see the tapes and everything, but he can't see the white noise and green penises, like you call them.
Is he still following?
Just follow him.
It's that.
That's his corpse, probably. Just follow the ghost. No, not there. Just follow the ghost.
Oh, tell him wait.
Oh,
Can I walk through it?
little fucking ghost. What do you think?
Yay! Wait, that's not that bad. Tell him if I run backwards, that means the white noise is like right there. Where? Take. It's my best so far by myself. One. What? What's he doing? What's he doing?
What you want, Toad? What you wanted to tell? Go wherever you want, man. Just walk
Okay,
around.
bye.
Look for the tapes, man. Stop running, man. You need that to fuck off from the white noise.
I'm really scared. I don't really want to look.
You're all by yourself.
Oh, fuck. Where is he?
You just look at a green penis.
Yeah, there he is. Why am I still dying? He's right behind me.
It's all doing pretty well.
Doing pretty well, isn't I?
Yeah.
You said didn't die first. Okay. Where's supposed to be one near here?
Yeah, the windmill can't kill you, man. That's what my friend said. The windmill can't kill
I'm
you.
not trying to get killed. I just want to know if there's a tape.
Oh, there's a tape.
Oh, really? A cemetery?
Yeah, there probably is a tape there.
But it has to be a cemetery.
Yes, it has to be a cemetery. Now look for the good.
Oh, it's going to be a net. Oh, I see it. Okay. Come to me, tape. Come to me.
No.
Okay. What should I do? Grim Plymouth. Right, you white noise. Show your face, you faggot. Right, I'm doing 2 by myself.
Yep.
That's my best score since I've only played twice actually. Wait, why are these bubbles?
But that's nice.
Oh no, they're like... Well, look, it looks like bubbles coming out of the ground.
Oh, fair enough.
I wish my torch wouldn't shine down every time I run. Look, don't it? Looks like bubble coming out of the ground.
Fair enough. Turn around.
Oh, fuck.
No, there was a white noise there.
Tell him it's right, like, beside him.
It's like your best friend, man. He was next to you. Like, happy face, smiley face.
Fuck you, man. Oh,
So you two are like together, you know, like smiley facing each other. Now it's good.
Oh, fuck. He's right there. He's still right there.
Following you, man.
What was that noise? Oh my god! Tell him to stop being best friends with him!
Hey, per head, he wants you to stop being best friends with him, you know, be a fair breakup, you know.
Right now I'm just scared because he's not
Not us. You and the white noise.
there. Now I'm just really scared because, like... What, man? I'm gonna die.
Stop looking at it then.
Oh my god, he keeps following me. Where'd he go? I just saw him teleport.
In front of you.
Stop hiding behind trees! He's such a rapist. I just wish I never played with him now. Oh my god, now I just want to die.
Hug him then.
Should I?
You want a hug? Give him a hug.
Come on. Give me